I'm stranger. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Like when you walk, you are a stranger, everybody's looking at you. When I was yesterday boarding the plane, everybody was looking at me. Of course. But what did I remember? And I want you all to remember, specifically the sisters. جاء الإسلام غريبا وسيعود غريبا طوبى للغرباء. Islam came as a stranger. Think of Islam in Mecca. They were few. Everybody was making fun of them. They were hiding, they were running. And then, alhamdulillah. And he said, started as a stranger, and it will come back as a stranger. And then, this is what makes you smile. طوبى للغرباء. Place in Jannah, glad tiding to the strangers. So I always ask myself, do you want to be a stranger?